All right, y'all, it's your boy Darius Beals, and let's talk about the giveaway for the GM LS Swap Gen 3 Starter Kit. So more than likely, if you are doing an LS Swap, you're probably gonna need an oil pan. And I will say that the Holley, which is the knockoff, 302-2 oil pan is probably by far the most used oil pan. Now, the thing about this oil pan is that it is used, but it isn't used. It has been gently bolted up to my 2002 Gen 3 5.3, but it was not on there long because when I put it in my Caprice, it made contact a little bit right there, and I tried to clean it up real good. So I ended up going with a 302-1, so that leaves me with a 302-2 that I don't necessarily need. This is the oil pan gasket. This is the hardware that came with the 302-1. Next on the list, everybody needs an oil pump if you're doing an LS swap. If you're pulling the LS swap, you might as well change the oil pump while it's out because it's going to be a whole lot easier than doing it than swapping it in, figuring out you got a little oil pressure. So what we have here is a Maylene 355. Brand new oil pump, never been taken out. I ended up running a MV295 for the stock pressure. And then we also have the Maylene oil pump pickup 2 O-rings. I'd rather use the Maylene O-ring than to use the O-ring that comes with the oil pan, just because more than likely, these are probably going to be better quality O-rings. Next, if you're doing an LS swap, unless you're going to use a stock harness and go through it like I am, the easy way to do it, especially if your motor didn't come with a stock harness, is to get an aftermarket harness. Now, this is your regular, degular, eBay, Amazon, $99 harness. And this is going to be for drive-by cable and not drive-by wire. I didn't know that the O3s and belows came with drive-by wire, so I bought a drive-by cable kit. And since mine is drive-by wire, I have to use a drive-by wire harness. So for this raffle, 25 slots, $20 each. I will do this probably up until the second week in December. So yeah, if you want your chance for $20 to win a knockoff 302-2 oil pan, a Maylene M355 oil pump, and 9903 4L60E engine harness. That also comes with the injector adapters as well, and 2 bolts, I suppose, to mount the fuse block. 25 slots, $20. Second week in December. I'll put the date up on the screen, is when it will end. If it doesn't fill, I will refund your money. Boom. LS Gen 3 LS drive-by cable starter kit. If you're doing a swap, you're going to need probably all 3 of these things. I couldn't use it, so why not give it away to somebody for only $20? Get your entries. It's probably going to go fast because it's $20 for like $450 worth of stuff. If I can't use it, you might as well use it. Always remember, think, build, enjoy, into the raffle. Peace.